pictures for you. Lot of views.
Stop. Oh my god, crazy, crazy. Don't fall down, huh? Oi! Dimple, come. Like crazy, super fun. You could see there. Oh my god, this is like, what do I say, man? This is a natural swimming pool, lovely water, very clear, people are having fun. Look at Dimple, look at everybody else, and look at this falls. Oh my god, you don't want to leave this place, people. Watch the vlog till the end. Oh man, see this people, man. Look at Justin having fun. Go slowly, Justin, Dimple, walk slowly. Go. One more water shot underwater. Let's see what we can get. And we have a swimmer here. People, there is a swimming competition. Their side.
Exploring Balmuri Falls. See if we can go to the other side of the Balmuri Falls. If we can see something. We'll go that side. No silence. Stopped here for some time. It's something to drink, you know. This eatery shop is just next to the Balmuri Falls. As you can see here, So you have a view, the river view. You can go down there and sit with your friends, have fun. Lot of fish in the river.
Kebab, doesn't even chicken.
This is another viewpoint that we are gonna cover up, people.
Karigati Temple, Srirangapatna viewpoint.
Okay, so it's already noon. I'm sure we are not going to enter the temple. We'll be showing you the glimpse from the outside, and hopefully we are going to stop there somewhere in the midway and show you the view as well. Straight.
Yup.
Temple over here.
Oh, you can't enter. This is the viewpoint that we were talking about. Let's see what's the entry fee. They were saying this 10 rupees.
Oh, elephant, birds. What?
So here,
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್
change illa sir.
ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ
ಹಾಂ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತಗೋತೀರಾ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ 20 ಅದು ಒಂದು
okay. The people 100 rupees with camera. So you will not be able to see elephants, but butterflies. Kind of a park, no Dimple?
Kind of a park, yeah.
But in the midst of nature.
Breezy. Come, let's sit.
Wow man, this is lovely.
We can't climb up.
I will climb.
Already tired.
I will climb.
Economic problem.
So I'll climb up and then we'll walk this.
Hey, we can go that side also.
Yeah.
You wanna go?
This is the view from the top. People and Justin is waiting down. Oh, they have locked it, man. People, this is locked. You can't go on top. But yeah, this is the view. Let me zoom it for you. So that's Kaveri River and yeah, the Srirangapatna town. I think worth visiting, but it's too hot and you have the reserve forest here. I think you should give it a try, people, but you couldn't climb up to the top because it is locked. Some kind of a trekking adventure for all the nature lovers, right Ibal?
What's written there? Tiger's picture is
Reptiles, fishes. I think it's talking about Karnataka as a whole. So you could, I think, trek on top of that hill.
You have to come in the morning, yeah, to trek over here. It's not possible.
Right now it's too
very
hot.
You know?
We'll just go till there. Oh my god. That thing is not functional right now.
Was it locked?
Hmm. Hmm. So it is a wildlife sanctuary, people.
But the vegetation is quite sparse, no?
Yeah.
Not lot of greeneries around. It's brownish in color with less trees around. So I don't think so there are animals over here.
I think it's a beautiful place, people. I know, like Dimple said, early morning you could walk, you could explore, but right now it is too hot. You could see this rock, such a huge rock. Oh my god. Lot of reptiles is what we have heard. So yeah, people. This is
And what's the other word that you use, Silesh? Oh my god, it's too hot here. Lovely place. You can see the view down there. If it was early morning, then we would have trekked. But right now it's noon, like around 2 p.m. It's very hot. It's not possible to trek. It's very hot. Justin is having fun there. It's like super hot. That was the trip to Srirangapatna, Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary and historical temples, the town of Srirangapatna. Everything was so amazing, everything was so beautiful. We enjoyed the waterfall, so now we are heading back to Bangalore, and here you go.